So guys, I'm going to be taking you along with me in the Frontgate outlet, and right next to the Frontgate outlet is the Grand and Road outlet, but they have since closed that down and merged the pieces that they've had in the Grand and Road outlet into the Frontgate outlet. And in case you didn't know, Frontgate, Grand and Road, and Ballards are all under the same family umbrella. Grand and Road is the lesser line of all three. That's the cheapest one. And then you have Ballards, and then Frontgate is the high-end line. So all of the Grand and Road pieces that were in the Grand and Road outlet are now merged into this Frontgate outlet. And they separate and they separate on the tags what is a Grand and Road item and what is a Frontgate item. I'm going to start off with my amazing find and what I actually purchased. For over a year, I've been looking for a very large architectural panel, meaning something that is at least 5 feet tall, to go in my master bathroom on a wall. I've renovated my master bath and I needed a special piece to go on an empty wall. And every time I looked for these architectural panels, they were always $1,000 or more. So when I stumbled upon these, they were originally $599. They were marked down to $49. I just had to scoop them up, and I ended up getting several pieces for that price, because that price was too good to pass up. How cool is this piece? This would be great for a backyard and backyard games, a family reunion. And the price on that is $9.99, and that's 60% off. How cool is this? I love Waiting on Martha. I've been following her blog for years, and now I see in Frontgate she has her patented charcuterie board, where she makes it easy for you by putting all of the instructions on how to set one up. This would make a wonderful gift. And you can purchase this charcuterie board from the Waiting on Martha site, and I think she's selling it for $129, and here it is $179 at Frontgate with the 60% off. So you'll be paying about $71 for it. So you'll get a better discount if you picked it up here at Frontgate. Some really large cutting boards and dough bowls, and those are about $229 each, 60% off. These will be great for Christmas. These were normally $99, now $9. These here were normally $199, now $9. And this is my favorite design, and these were $199 as well. These here were normally, let's see, $199 or $9. No luck in finding any of the letters that I needed. 70% off all the bedding, and they have a ton of bedding. Look at this beautiful duvet cover, and the price of that duvet is $299 with 70% off, so that'd be $26.9, so that'll be $90. Here's some entertaining pieces, some very large beverage servers, beverage tubs, some large trays, serving trays. These are $149. So guys, here we have the smaller nightstands, same style as the 6-drawer dresser drawer. And these are $1.99. Deal of the day. They were originally $12.99. This one's dinged up, and this is a great chance or opportunity for me to show you an example. This furniture is crap. They're charging $12.99 for something that's MDF, that's sawdust. It's not even real wood. It doesn't hold up. If this gets wet, the whole thing's gonna swell up. Not everything sold in a high-end store is of quality. So that's why I focus on quality. Now let's look at another piece. These right here, not that I need them, but I'm going to use them as an example. This is solid wood throughout. So if this gets wet, it's wood. You can sand it down, you can restain it, you can putty it and fix it up. So that would be a better deal in terms of quality. And these are 70% off. I've always loved this headboard, but the only size they ever get it in here at the outlet is a king size, and I need a queen size for the guest bedroom. And look at all of these stools. These are the deal of the day, and all of these stools are $59 each. And this is the Grand and Road bar stools, not the Frontgate. Again, Frontgate, Grand and Road, Ballards, they're all under the same umbrella, but Grand and Road is a lower line. So you can pick those up for 59 bucks. And then the Frontgate stools are the ones that are over here. Feel a little more pricey. And these are, and they're a little bit more pricey. And these are 60% off.
Ooh, I don't like those colors. Kind of a
60.
Nope. There.
These are gorgeous. These are really nice. These are 60% off. And it was originally $5.99. And then those. And most of the Frontgate stools are anywhere between $500 and $700 bucks with 60% off. This is the sold merchandise area. This back here is the holding zone of all the pieces that have been sold, so you can't purchase them. This right here is a really nice piece. I love this tufted leather couch. Some more furniture. I'm going to go check out the rugs because I'm in the market for a rug. And rugs are 80% off. Now this rug is $300. I think it's a 6x8. So that'll be 60 bucks after the discount. Some really good quality outdoor furniture you can get here from the clearance. This is a beautiful table base. It doesn't come with the inlay, but that's really nice. And this is $9.99, 50% off. And it is very heavy, very sturdy. And all of their replacement cushions for the outdoor furniture is 80% off, but it's still very, very pricey. But you get that really good quality cushion. And for example, let's see, for a two-piece, like a top and a seat, is $7.99. So at 80% off, it's still $160 for the back and the bottom. And the same thing for over here. This particular cushion, it's $9.49 for the pair, the top and the bottom. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough Frontgate with me, and the takeaway that I want to leave for this video is to make sure you check out the quality of the items no matter where it's coming from, whether you're in a high-end store or a low-end store, because just because a price is high, it does not mean it's of excellent quality. So check things out before you buy them. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of content. Also, let me know how I can improve my walkthrough me's. When you're shopping with me, is there anything else you'd like to see when I'm out shopping? Just let me know. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye, guys.